Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to give a little quick video of the room I stayed at when I visited Universal Studios. This is a value resort. It is called Endless Summer Dockside. We had a poolside hotel room. It was just a basic hotel room. 2 double, or maybe they were queen beds and 1 bathroom. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like resort reviews. That's what I mostly do, but I've been dabbling this week in Universal Studios stuff. So I'm going to be quiet now while you hear our first impressions.
How pretty. It smells nice. The shower's nice. It's got a really fresh smell, and it's very blue or green in here. Well, that looks comfy. Oh, we got a view? Do we have a pool view? Oh, we have a pool view. Wow. That's neat. All right, let's see. Oh, the beds feel nice. Got little lights. This is a nice room. See the bathroom. Looks good. It's not quite as good as your shower at Westgate, but it's pretty nice. What do we have behind the curtain? Oh, this is a closet. Ooh, we got a safe here. Nice.
Okay, I'm back. I usually do voiceovers after my trip because sometimes it's just hard for me to do everything at once. I'm just not great at multitasking. We really enjoyed our stay here. This was me and my daughter Star. She works at Universal Studios, actually on the Hulk ride. So she was able to get a really nice friends and family rate for me at this hotel, which was, really great for me to try it out. I usually stay at timeshare properties because I get them really ridiculously cheap. But a couple nights here didn't really break the bank, and I got to experience this and get this video. I'm doing this in several different things. I'm doing the room tour. I'm going to be doing a separate thing of the pool, and then I will do a separate video of everything all together for everybody that wants to see it all. But that's going to take me a little more time to edit, so I will be doing that during the week. I'm still in Orlando. I'm staying at Westgate Vacation Villages at the moment, and I'm trying to decide whether to stay another week or to go home. So these are some videos I made this week. Please subscribe if you like this kind of material. That would rock. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels to you.